Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol DRYS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like you this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I've done this analysis on a very routine basis, did it yesterday, so that's where these red and green line annotations are coming from. We want to get things updated here as the bulls actually are showing some signs of strength. And you may say, wow, that bar seems pretty low. But yeah, the bar is low, so I'm not going to not deny that. How did the bulls show some signs of strength? Well, the price is actually just starting to go sideways. And again, you may be saying, wait, that's the bullish move, is just simply going sideways. Well, yeah, like I said, the bar is set low, but when you factor in the past context of things where it's just been down, 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 for the price to actually just go sideways here, does that mean that this is guaranteed to bounce up to $1.70 tomorrow? I'm not saying that. I'm just saying that it's a step in the right direction, and as it stands right now, the bulls have apparently mustered up enough strength to be able to absorb the selling pressure and just start to go sideways. Now, again, don't go, I'm not saying that this is for sure the bottom, so you go and grab your kids' college tuition money or anything like that. But yeah, price is going sideways, and the bulls are trying to chip away and form a bottom here at $1.25. And that is where the buyers remain. Now, the bulls did show some signs of strength this morning with a gap up, and then it stayed up here for a little bit. But by the time the closing bell had come around, the price fell back below that red line. So this level of resistance that I talked about in yesterday's video up here at $1.33, I would agree that it was weakened up today because the price was able to get up above it. But because the price could not maintain above it, that's still got to be considered an area of resistance. So initial area of resistance, $1.33. And just to repeat myself that I've been saying time and time again, the overall level of resistance is that purple line. And overall, in the sense of to answer a very basic question, kind of who's in charge, who's in full control of the chart. As long as the price is below that purple line, the bears are in full control. The bears own the chart completely. So that remains the case thus far. But again, price is going sideways, so maybe the bulls are trying to shape up for some sort of bounce. As I've said in past videos, this one can definitely bounce and make some pretty exciting moves to the upside. So we'll see if they have anything in store, or if this is just a pause and a kind of a breath before the bears resume their downwards movement. But I think we're going to get our answer tomorrow. That would be my guess. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.